useMemo is an a React hook, and it's a memoize calculated value of an expensive function, and it's recalculate that expensive function only when that dependency of useMemo is changed. So I have this basic React app that have this button, and when I click on this button, it's increase that count number. So whenever I click on this button, it will change that state, and it will cause the re-render of this whole app. Whenever this state change, it will cause an re-render. And I have this expensive function that have this for loop running on some larger number of time. This loop will run, then it will uh, calculate that total of this uh, I number in for loop, and that will be written in this function. So right now it's working fine because I haven't invoked this expensive function. So if I let me log here, re-render, and invoke expensive function, expensive function. So if I invoke this, it will cause some problem in our app. It will slow down the app. uh, Let me refresh again. So for refresh also it will take some time, so let's increase one. uh, it's taking too much time. If I increase again, click, it's taking more than 1 second. So this is because we use expensive function, and it's run on that every render. So we have to uh, what we have to handle that using use memo. So let me export that hook use memo, and it have first argument that will be callback function, and the second argument is dependency array. I can put this inside this function. So this will let me create one state more that have like only if that change, then and only this will run. So I can create like num set num, only that if dependency array this value change, then and only this will run, otherwise it will not run again and again. So let me refresh again. So if I do again, it will not slow down our app, it will working fine. If I remove this, then so first time it will take some time, because first time it will run that function, expensive function, but second time, as you can see, it will not cause that problem because we use expensive function. So let me create another button that have num set num, set num, and I can do num plus 1. Here is num count. Here I can say expensive counter. Expensive counter. So it will take some time to increase count, because here whenever this dependency change, then and only this will run expensive function. So as you can see, this is expensive counter. Normal counter is working fine, but if I use this counter, it will take so much time, more than 1 second. So this is how we can use memo. If we have in React, every component there is so many re-render whenever the state change. So if we have this expensive function inside component, then it will cause so many problem, like it will slow down our app. So we can use memo for that and pass that dependency value in dependency array. So this is how we can use memo inside React. So thank you.